Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to submit a claim for Flair Airlines. So here are the steps to submit a claim on Flair Airlines. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. So the next thing to do is to head over to the top menu and you will see travel info. So on the travel info, you see a couple of categories in here: baggage, optional fees and charges, accessible travel, travel documents, airport information, in-flight services, families and children, customer service. Head over to customer service, and right under customer service you have reservation changes, flexibility policies, disruption and recourses, flight disruption claims, forms, buy now, pay later, and severe weather advisories. Now select flight disruption claims, and that's going to take you to this window. So you have flight delay and cancellation claims. In line with guidelines set out by Air Passengers Protection Regulations, you may be entitled to compensation for the interruption in your travel plans. So please submit a request form once for each individual traveler per direction of travel. Now you have an on-screen information that you need to read. So you were on a Flair operated flight flying from to or within Canada. You were informed 14 days or less before the departure time shown on your original ticket that the arrival at your destination will be delayed. You've received the refund for a delayed or cancelled flight and want to receive compensation for the inconvenience, or your flight was delayed or cancelled for reasons within Flair's control. So please submit one claim form for each passenger per direction of travel. And in the event there are multiple flights in a single direction of travel, only one form is required for that direction. So now you have the length of delay. Now 3 or more hours but less than 6 hours, you have $400 CAD compensation. 6 or more hours but less than 9 hours, you have $700 CAD. And 9 hours or more, you have $1,000 CAD. And that's 1,000 CAD. So once you have completed the form, you can expect a response within 30 days. Payment for approved claims will be sent to the email address provided, and with options for how you can receive funds electronically. So click on Submit a Request Now button, and it's going to take you to the form. Now, how can we help you today? Click on that and choose any of those options. So I want to submit a accessibility request, or I want to request a refund for, I want to request a quote, just however. And now you have add your email address. Please has to be English, thank you. So add your email address and then refund category, then reservation number, where did you book your reservation, first name, last name, then email address, departure dates. Just fill out all of these and request summary and additional information. Once you've filled out all of this, you can even add attachments if you need, if necessary, and click on submit, and that's it. You'll be able to submit a claim on Flair Airlines. So go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.